Day 3. As you can see, we have the pull cord now. We've got our mounted points up. Let's see how stable it is. That's pretty damn stable.
This is fucking crazy.
It's not gonna blow up this time.
The throttle ain't even hooked up.
Yeah.
Which we can actually get that now.
Alright. Say we work on that now. Switching out the exhaust. That shit's smoky. We found a permanent solution for the gas tank.
I ain't going nowhere. No, wait. Test it.
Oh yeah, awesome. Oh my god, harder. So the downside of
mounting the gas tank like that is having to make the bike vertical in order to fucking fill it.
Yeah. Oh. Fucking look at the fucking angle, bro. That shit plumb vertical. First try, that's pretty good.
It's not the...
Oh, fuck.
It was delayed.
I didn't think it was gonna be that hard.
Did you get it on record?
Yeah. I full on grabbed it and left my hand off for a solid second, bro.
Dumbass.
I'm good. I ain't got no burns, but like...
So, yeah, people, if you're a fucking weed eater or whatnot, is starting in...
Don't worry, I'll clip your voice together.
This is the one I was supposed to put on.
Oh no. Fuck, dude. It works anyways.
Yeah.
We appease the machine's spirit. Let's not question it. Alright, so the gears were spinning backwards from what would have happened if we would have linked the chain up. And so we need a way to the gears to not move at all. So that way the chain can actually do it instead of just, you know, moving only the gears spinning and not the wheel spinning. And so we are removing the disc brakes to bolt fucking gears to it, to where it's like just stable, doesn't turn back, doesn't turn forward, the gears just don't turn at all. We won't be able to back the bike up without fucking up the motor, but other than that, this is all we have to do, and we found this, which is just perfect. We can just hammer this bit into the fucking
we found this, yeah.
engine bit.
It's totally not the inside of a pedal that I took apart for you.
Yeah, found, scavenged. And this end can fit like almost perfectly on this car. We just gotta hammer it. And so it'll be in place due to friction, and well, we had to sawzall the fucking bolts on the normal motor just to get this cog off. So friction fit should be more than strong enough. But we'll probably be able to finish this tonight. I don't want to get my hopes up, but like, I'm kind of getting my hopes up. Lost the damn bit. Trust us, we're professional. We're professional, we promise.
He's making meth.
Two more to go, 2 more millimeters.
What about on the other side?
It's thicker. Okay, so as we were hammering the cog in, we put these green things so we could break it out while keeping this thing tight. But, once again, tripped over the finish line. Not an issue though, because back there, there's threads. And so, we're going to use the other pedal piece and hopefully it fits. Alright, so we got the chain on and this on, and it definitely didn't take 3 more extra hours, and it's currently 2 o'clock in the morning, 2:30 in the morning, and we also didn't spend 30 minutes getting a random-ass screw into there. No, definitely not. It's a bit saggy, but, I mean, we're all saggy eventually, so we can go down to the what's it called?
Park.
Yeah, let's go down to the park. It's a small issue. The threads, it didn't hold nearly enough. We didn't even really get it started before it came undone. And the threads in there, they're all completely fucked. We didn't even get the engine started with the wheel spinning or nothing. It's not been good. We're thinking of drilling deeper into there and then haphazardly hammering. That's like the only option we really have left other than getting a new engine. And I really don't want to go to V3 because we don't have a new engine at the moment, so. Alright, well, we got so close, but Murphy's Law has beat us for the 10 millionth time. Again,